Well, hey there, YouTubers. What you're about to see is some nasty rain and weather effects, some winds. Hopefully, I can get some on footage, so stay tuned to the crazy weather in Nova Scotia today. And thank you for watching Channel 33 with Spongie. This usually doesn't flood over all too often. Flooded pretty good there, boys and girls. Don't flood too often here, but when it does, I guess it floods. Well, that street's a little flooded. The old river's pretty deep. The East River here down in Nova.Scotia. She's full looking. That's for sure. Really full. Yep. We sure got a pile of rain, that's for sure. Well, off to the next location. This next place that I'm going to, I've seen video footage of it already. So I figured, hey, why not go capture it? Well, it appears that they already got it all under control down here, which is quite amazing considering on how much water was down here. Needless to say, I'm pretty sure there's a lot of wet stuff down in here now. Here's another view of the East River. Lots of crap floating down it. Logs and whatnot. The water is high, folks. So Spongie doesn't know if he's on the right road, folks. Here's to hoping. Maybe. Maybe not. Definitely the back road master's title got taken away from him. That's for sure. Because if I still had that title, I'd be to where I want to be right now already. I definitely wouldn't have took those other two side roads. But something tells me I think I am on the right road. Can't be 100% sure. It looks familiar. But doesn't every dirt road look the same? I mean, plus it's rainy and starting to get dark. A good sized tree branch down there. Yeah, this definitely looks familiar. You don't want to blow through this stop sign, that's for sure. Nothing coming. Nothing to my knowledge, anyways. Flooded over that section. Yeah, I think right takes you to the Christmas tree farm. And I think straight's the way I want to go. That's a nice lake too right here. I don't know if you can see that lake or not, but well, that was a piece of bark, folks. Yeah, it's a nice lake. Not sure what it's in there for fish. Trout, maybe. river growing in. Like the swells down there, I don't know how high they are, but the waves are ridiculous. I mean, I wish I could get a better view of them, but unfortunately, there is no real better view. That's just the waves after the storm. Like last night, those waves are like 10 times bigger than that. And normally, you don't see waves like that at all down here. Not usually, anyways. Where's my boogie board when I need it?